Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to publish your Shopify store in 2023. Shopify is one of the most popular and most powerful e-commerce platforms out there. And with the right guidance, you can have your store up and running in no time. In this video guys, we will guide you through the process of setting up your Shopify store, customizing your theme, adding products, and launching your site. So let's get dive in. The first thing guys that we need to do is go to your browser and launch it. Then go to the URL section and type www.shopify.com. So let's do that. Here it is. And this is the website. Now you'll find here the login and start a free trial. So if you had an account, click on login. If you didn't, click here to start a free trial. So let's do that to show you how to start a new trial. Here we go. Now all you need to do is wait for the page to load up. Here you need to answer some questions. You can skip it or answer them. So it's up to you. Here for example, let's get started. Which of the best describes you? Here I'm going to start with I'm just starting. Where would you like to sell? Here an online store, social media, in person, online marketplace, an existing website or blog. So here you can choose whatever you'd like. Let's click on next. Here, what do you plan to sell first? So here there's products I buy or make myself, digital products, services, dropshipping products, press on demand products. Make sure to answer each one with the ones that you are going to do. So they will help you with customizing your own dashboard with the best option that will fit your project the best. Now let's click here, for example, and click on next. Now here guys, you must choose a name for your store. So in my case, I'm going, for example, to pick tutorial store. This is an example, and this is how your domain name or the URL will look like. So tutorialstore.myshopify.com. You can click to edit it to make it look whatever you'd like. So tutorial store, for example, if it's available, it's gonna be green for you. Now let's click on next. So here we go. Here, where will you be like your business located? So here you can choose whatever country you are in or where your business is going to be located. For me, I'm going to pick Morocco. Click on next. Now let's give it some time. And this is the page where you will create your account in Shopify. So simply all you need to do is choose which method you want to create your account with. Here there is the email method, Apple, Facebook, and Gmail account. So let's start with the first thing, which is adding our first product. So let's click here to add product. Here we go. Here you must put the title. So for example, iPhone. Here, like a small description about your product. So a mobile phone, for example, a cool mobile phone. And let me just fix that. And here let's add a media. So let's add like an image for the iPhone. Here we go. And here it is. Now here the product category, which is for example, technology. So let's see if there's technology over here. Browse all and electronics, for example. Here product type, phone. And let's keep it that way. Here is the price. So here you must put the price. For example, for me, I will sell it for 7k dirhams, which is about $700. And here I will keep it that way. And let's remove this. And here the inventory, how much stock you have from this item. Let's put, for example, here 10. So here we go. And here I'm going to pick this. So continue selling when out of stock. So even when you are out of stock, they will still be able to buy the product from you. So you will gain the money. You can buy the phone with it and then buy the phone and resell it to your visitors or like your clients. Here you must put like the shipping. So the shipping weight. Let's say that the iPhone, for example, weighs about 112, not kilograms, of course. Let's make it grams, for example. And here, okay, let's keep it that way. Here, how it's gonna be on the search on engine listing. So it's gonna be like an iPhone, a comma of iPhone, and this is the URL. So now let's click on save. And our product now has been created and saved. Now let's customize our theme. So let's click in here and they will take us to this page. Now this is the theme that you are using. You can just go here to customize it. So here we go. Now we are customizing our theme. So here it is the banner. You can edit here the banner, the header, the shop, or here the button. Everything is actually editable. So whatever thing you do, it will be editable for you. So you can do whatever you'd like. You can edit and make it look beautiful, pretty, so you can attract more people to your store. Now, as you can see, it is live, but it is not published yet. So how we can make it published? First of all, let's try to edit something. So here, for example, let's move this. Welcome. Let's add it from here. Welcome to our store. And here, click on save. So in order for you to click here, you will be able to see the mobile version of your website. So that's how it's gonna be on your mobile, or on other people's mobile. So this is how it's gonna be looking like. Now when you finish with everything, and in order for you to make it go public, all you need to do is to pick a plan. So let's start with picking a plan. Here I'm going to click on pick a plan, and as you can see there is the basic, Shopify, and advanced. So the basic has everything you need to create a store, ship products, and process payments. And it will cost you only $1 per month for the first 3 months, as you can see here. There is the features, so there is 2 staff members, up to 1K location, and basic reports. Here, the Shopify, which is the same thing, but with some better features. Here, as you can see, level up your business with professional reporting and more staff accounts. Here, which will cost you as well $1 for the first 3 months, and then they will be costing you 92. So here you will have 5 staff members, and so go on. So for us, we can just choose the starter one. So let's choose, for example, here the starter one. I'm going to pick this, understand, and here we going to click on confirm. Now all you need to do is choose this monthly, as you can see here, and here we go. Now confirm billing cycle. Here all you need to do is fill these informations. So here the address, the apartment, postal code, phone number. So it's gonna be pretty simple. And when you finish with that, all you need to do is go to the payment method over here to add the payment method. Put here the credit card, fill your informations with it, as you can see here, country, region, first name, full name, etc. After that, add the credit card, and then click in here to start a plan, and your plan shall be created, and your website will be directly going live. So yeah guys, that was it to today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys a lot for watching.